In this video, I will show you the simple way to download music on YouTube on your mobile phone and your computer. Open your browser. Me, I'm using Chrome. Type studio.youtube.com. Please, if you like this video, consider subscribing to this channel, like and as well share it. Click on login. Now click on audio library. You can see the whole music has shown. If you want to hear the music, you click it. You can hear the sound. It's playing. Here is where you download it. You can see the option of download. Let me download one. You can see it is completed already. Let me play it for you again. You can see it's playing. That is how to download music on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to download it on your computer. Click on your browser. Type studio.youtube.com. Click on YouTube Studio. Go to the option menu. You will see audio library. Click on it. Those are the music. You have many options to download. I preview it again. Can hear it's playing. I think I like this one. Let me download it so you can be able to hear it. And see it's downloading. It is as quick as possible. Very fast. You can see the options. So you see the names of the artist, the type of music, according to the one that suits you. Thank you for watching.